Good morning, I'm here in Point Reyes, National Seashore, on my way over to Alamere Falls, which is a pretty cool waterfall, at least from what I've been told. It is a waterfall that goes from the mountains and falls directly into the Pacific Ocean. So that should be pretty cool to see. Pretty big trip in order to get there. It's going to be a 14-mile loop in order to get to the waterfall. So that'll be a good hike for today. Testing out some new gear today. I got a new backpack. It's called the Shimoda Designs Explore 25-liter backpack. There, I think I got the whole thing down. It's a 25-liter one. It's kind of meant as a, what do they call it, from airport to alpine kind of backpack. So urban travel slash, you can take out into out for a hike. The nice thing about it, it's got an awesome suspension system, super comfortable shoulder straps and waist belt. I've got a couple of trips that are coming up over the next few months that are going to involve some airplane travel. I want to take video and camera stuff, and I want to have one nice little pack that I'm able to get into, and it's got some nice storage features, yet it's still small enough to fit under an airplane seat, so I can have a carry-on bag, this bag, and be set for a multitude of different trips. A bit sketchy. The waterfall is actually right there, but the waves, as you can see, come right up to here. So I'm going to run down there, snap some quick videos, pictures, and hope I don't get wet. Well, it started to mist and rain lightly, as I thought it would right around this time. So I threw on the old rain jacket. This pack comes with a little rain cover, which I typically don't use, but this one has quite a few zippers on top. So plus electronics. I figured let's just try out the rain cover, see how it fits. Keep the pack a little drier as I set it down in the mud. This will be GoPro time from here on out. Light keeps changing, it's pretty cool. It's like, kind of like walking in a cloud. This is pretty nice, just walking in the rain here. A light rain. Looks pretty cool up through the trees. I'm getting pretty tired. I've got about a mile left to go. Done a little over 14 miles right now, so pretty good hike. I finished a book on the way down here. The book I finished was called Thunder Dog, which was really good. It's only like 5 or 6 hour listen, but it's about a story of a man who is in the North Tower of the World Trade Center when on 9/11, and he's blind and has a seeing eye dog, and how they get out of the towers. So a lot of really interesting, good lessons. Definitely like that book quite a bit. Had a really good hike, just made it back to the car. Did a little over 15 miles, so that was a pretty good day hike. Fun trail, that was nice. I kind of liked the last hour and a half or so. It started kind of raining nicely, and it's always kind of cool to see like the rain coming in on the fall foliage and the leaves and stuff, so I like that quite a bit. The waterfall, I wish I could have got a little closer, but I guess note to self, don't go when there's high tide because you can't really get onto the beach. But nonetheless, still was pretty cool. The new Shimoda backpack performed awesome. Really happy with that pack. Probably had it loaded up with maybe 10, 15 pounds worth of gear once you factor in snacks, water, camera stuff, all that kind of stuff, some extra clothes. And it rode really well. I was quite impressed. If I could do 15 miles, my back's not killing me. That says pretty good. A lot of times I've found with small packs, they just don't ride quite right because they're so small and they lack suspension. But this pack worked surprisingly well, actually really well. So I'll continue to use it over the next coming weeks and months, and eventually probably put up a review. But so far, liking it quite a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. What you reading about, Kels?
I had never heard of the Destroying Angel version of Amanita. Only the Death Cap, but apparently there's its cousin, the Destroying Angel.
Destroying, and this is a mushroom?
Yes, it is.
Cool. Ready to go for a hike? Good morning, we're here in Point Reyes, National Seashore, doing a little day hike. We're gonna walk down to Wildcat, what's it called? Wildcat Camp. I almost called it Wildcat Hollow. That's a place I used to camp at in Ohio. But we're going down to Wildcat Camp. We're gonna do some lunch. We've got 2 different cheeses, a nice salami, some good crackers. Gonna have a nice little spread there. And then we're gonna walk down to Alamere Falls and see if we can't see that. Gorgeous day out, a little bit of fog over the ocean, but it's nice bright blue skies. What do you think, Kels?
Yeah, we're certainly not in Ohio.
That's for sure. I told you we were gonna go on a hike today, and then on the way here, what did I tell you?
He was like, oh, it's a lot of downhill.
Yeah, and I also told you it was 14 miles versus like you thought it was gonna be 5, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, we brought a lot of food and water, so it would be good. So
Gotta go uphill if you want to go downhill.
Exactly. Here we go. Okay, try it again. Try it again because I didn't have the camera out where it needed to be. Go ahead.
We just missed an epic coyote sighting on camera. I saw it. Kyle didn't. He was talking about backpacks endlessly. One-track mind on hiking. All like, and there's zippers. Let me tell you about how many zippers I need. And you missed the coyote.
I missed the coyote. Thank you, dear. Really appreciate you and your commentary in this video already. Alright. We made it down to what's it called? Wildcat Camp? I keep wanting to call it Wildcat Hollow, I really do. For today we've got some cheese and crackers. These are flatbread sea salt crackers. These are good. We have a cave-aged Gruyere. It's a very nice cheese, Kelsey. Should be good. And we have one of our all-time favorite cheeses with Prairie Breeze. So a block of that, along with some salami. And of course, to cut all this, you need a proper knife. So we have the Benchmade Bug Out. What's this one called? This is the 535 model, carbon fiber. S90V stainless. You need that S90, Kelsey. That edge retention is superior.
It does have a butterfly on it. I like that.
Yeah, it's Benchmade. You can buy these as gifts for me. Any Benchmade. These are on the okay to buy Kyle gift list. I'll send you a few models I've been looking at.
Okay, good.
We're gonna use this. We'll cut up some salami here. Okay. Thank you.
Only following the highest of sanitary standards here.
Hey, the table's clean. Got a bunch of sand on it. Good for you. I'm curious to see how this cheese tastes. It's in the bargain bin. There's nothing better than the bargain bin cheese. All right, fellas, we've sampled all the cheeses, the crackers, and the salami. I've eaten like half of the salami. What was your favorite today?
Tough choice.
Personally, I like the salami quite a bit. I thought this was quite good. I don't think I've had this particular one.
I mean, this is the combination that matters.
These crackers are great. What were these? Do you remember what they were from the? They're called rustic flat nugget brand rustic flatbreads. They're really good. I think those with the salami was J plus. Well, we're gonna wrap up here. We got some dessert, fruit snacks from Costco. Have that for dessert. Go check out the ocean, and then on to the waterfall. Let's do it. Hopefully you can hear me over the waves and the wind. We're walking down here to the Alamere Falls. I came down here once in the fall, and it's a bit sketchy on how you actually get up from the falls. So we'll see if we can do that. If not, we're gonna turn around, walk a mile back, and head up a different way. But for right now, I see other people down there, so either they've done this long beach walk, or they took the shortcut, which I think is hazardous and not recommended. Come on, Kelsey, you got it. You're on video too, so you gotta make it. What do you think, Kelsey? Having fun? I'm not taking a picture, I'm doing video. Made it back to the car, did about 14 miles today. We're both pretty tired. We got to run around now, get back to our Airbnb, get changed. We're heading into San Francisco to go watch a show this evening. So we're looking forward to that. A good hike, nice day hike. You have fun, Kels?
Yeah, it was good. My Garmin had 10% battery left, so I was able to log still all 30,000.
30,000 steps, that makes sense.
So got the credit for it.
Cool, well, that's good. Good times. Thanks for coming along. Till next time.